This is one of my favorite eye looks with ShadowSense colors. First, start off with a clean lid and apply Whisper Pink onto a flat, dense shadow brush or concealer brush along the bottom of your eyebrow to define, lift, highlight, and then blend it out. Then take Mulberry and apply the color directly onto the outer edge of your lid below the highlighted area of your arch and blend it out with a soft blending brush. Then take Moca Java and also apply it directly onto your lid just below Mulberry and blend it in the same direction with a similar brush. Then take Shell Glitter and apply it directly onto your eyelid just below Moca Java, and in a pressing and blending motion, blend it all over your eyelid with a dense flat shadow brush. Then take Fire Opal Shimmer and apply the color onto a pointed crease brush or pencil brush, then apply and blend it into the inner corners of your eyes. Next, use EyeSense eyeliner pencil to line the top of your eyelid. Do not make your wing with this. I just like to layer on the black to get the darkest black I can get. Then take an eyeliner brush and swipe just enough Onyx onto the tip of the brush to define your eyeline and make a wing. You can make your wing as thick or as long as you wish. Then take another pointed crease brush and dab just a little bit of pink Posey onto the tip and add some color to the bottom of your lid. And what you want to do is smudge the color around the bottom of your eyelid, the bottom lid, and then do the same with Moca Java. Then lastly, apply Volume Intense mascara in black to your lashes. I then finished this look with Pink Champagne Lip Sense, which is a nice, light, shimmery nude pink that's universally beautiful on every skin tone. Then I used Pink Sand Gloss to seal it on. And this is seriously one of my favorite simple everyday looks because I get to use a bunch of my favorite pinks and nudes. I just love it. Hope you enjoyed.